Hey guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Yeah, it's gonna be raining all week, so I thought I would try to film a little rainy week cozy vlog, but I don't know how well I'll do because I'm not that used to vlogging, and guys, I'm still practicing, so yeah. But anyways, I hope you enjoy seeing a little bit of what my life is like in Vancouver as a Waterloo co-op student, and yeah. There's so much rain. The mall. Why is this so huge? The biggest Miniso I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, there's so many plushies. Morning guys, it is currently 10:54. Wait, no, it's actually 11:54 a.m. because today we have our time being ahead by an hour since it's springtime now. So it's another rainy day. This week is raining all week. It's raining so hard. It was even worse yesterday. Yeah, I didn't really vlog much yesterday, but I'm gonna try and vlog more today. Today I'm going out for lunch and some matcha with my best friend. We're gonna be going down to this new matcha cafe that just opened. So that's why I have a little bit of makeup on already. Also tried to paint my nails last night. It's really clear and shiny. But yeah, I'm gonna have a little bit of breakfast first, and then I'll see you guys later. Looks good.
Try the first one.
Okay. So I put my hair in braids because my hair is really oily. Today's my hair wash day, and then I added a little clip to go with my outfit.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be starting off with a gift exchange.
I know! It's the box! It's a blind box!
Yeah. You can open it. Yeah. I got on Facebook Marketplace. That's
What the
freak?
Oh my god, this is why you're asking me!
Well, I was on Facebook Marketplace looking at Asani Angels, and then I was like, oh, you like those? So let's see if they have those.
Oh
and I
my
found
god,
it.
it's the shop!
It's Oh my
song
gosh! Oh my god, thank you! They actually are really cute.
what the
I
heck?
understand why you like those more
I
than
know,
Sonic
right?
Angels and Smiskies. They're much
Yeah,
cuter.
they are. It's an animal and an animal. You can't go
Yeah.
wrong with that. Oh my gosh, how much did you spend on it?
It's okay, it's okay.
It's not okay!
See, oh, that's a good idea. Whatever gift from you it is, I will love it.
It's
Anyway.
not even from me. Okay, guys, it looks better. My dad made granola bar bites
Amazing.
with dried
You make
mango,
everything.
nuts, pumpkin seeds, peanut butter, honey, and oats.
It's giving healthy, it's giving tasty.
It is. It tastes exactly like this one peanut Chinese dessert. Thank you. You're welcome.
Like
Give you a
Smiskies,
big
though.
gift though before I go. Oh yeah, Smiskies are cute. I don't know
I
what
just
it
don't
is
like,
about them.
yeah, I just don't like Sonic Angels. Delicious! I bet your dad could make a 6-tiered cake.
You're good.
With Asian inspired, like matcha or mochi. I do like it. I feel like Abby could eat it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Like dog treats.
Yeah. There's nothing suspicious in it, so. Guys, Attica made me a Riz manual.
Some nice
Thank you,
phrase to say to the
Annika.
host. Standing ovation to the ovary nation.
Oh.
Glory to the gals of the galaxy.
Beautiful, beautiful. So strong. When I'm not with you. When I'm with you. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
I think we should order one of everything.
We should, I agree. That new Fuji. So good. I'm gonna try this one.
This is so creamy. Even just for that.
It looks so good.
Come home. You're like, it's not too.
So cute. Annika, what did you rate our lunch?
I rate it a 10 out of 10. And the reason why it's a 10 out of 10 is because I not only ate really good food, but I ate it with good company.
I rated a 10 out of 10 too, because you were there.
Why is it in a bag? What do you do with 2 cones of garlic? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Can you smell this? What do you think? You know those memes where it's like shows someone's wrist? It's like, should I get this perfume? Guys, should I get this perfume? Guys,
what do
should
you
I
think?
should I get this perfume?
What do you think?
What do you
How does
think?
it look? How does it smell?
It's very subtle. Organic calendula and sunflower.
Ooh. Is that a roller?
Where should I
Check this. It's so pretty. Wow. I came to the beach.
Because the worms are coming out.
Oh,
In another life, that's me and Alina.
yeah, that's us.
Woof.
Bark, 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 bark. Woof. Oh my god.
Hey guys, it's $10 for a day. We have a special ticket that is given to us. A parking ticket.
Guys, I'm back home. I'm hungry right now, and I've been wanting to make a grilled cheese sandwich, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, look how cute this drink is. It came with a regular flavor and a strawberry flavor. It also came with a gift bag, like a tote bag with the drink, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I can't believe they collabed with Sanrio. It's just the most perfect thing ever. So this is my snack. The grilled cheese isn't all melted, but still good. Morning, I just got ready for work. I'm gonna go. Bye. bag when I bought like a bunch of Sanrio Milkus from Rice World in Richmond. Like sunny, but cloudy, but raining. There's a rainbow today. The rain is so light. It's like, it feels like snow, but it's rain. I don't know, I've never experienced this weather before, but I like it. I'm wearing this beanie that I made. I crocheted it. It's very, very warm. I think the yarn I used was acrylic. I made it to my first friend's house. I'll see you guys later. So cute here.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I paid that parking ticket, so don't worry.
She's legal.
I'm legal. She's legal.
Hey guys, I've been sent back to the drafting room. Last day that I'm filming for this vlog. I'm just getting ready right now to go to my site visit for work. It's still a rainy day, but I think it's stopping right now for a bit, so it's just really cloudy. Hey guys, so I'm in the car right now. I'm just gonna be driving the site, so I'll see you guys when I'm there. So I just made it to my site. I'm gonna go in right now. I just parked and paid. And I guess this isn't really part of the rainy day vlogs. Today was supposed to rain, but it's actually really pretty and sunny. Look, beautiful, beautiful gas town. I'm gonna go in now and I'll see you guys later. Just realized I forgot a hair tie, which is not good. I'm almost there. So I was just investigating a leak and just going back to the car because my parking time is up, so I need to go and move my car. It's so nice today. I just finished. It went really well. I was gonna go to my favorite coffee place here. Got my hot chocolate. It's so cute and it tastes so good. Oh my gosh. I love this coffee place so much. They always make the drinks so cute and pretty. It makes my day. And it tastes so good. They use real chocolate, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, if I were to like get hot chocolate from a cafe, I would get it from this place 100%. Also, everyone who works in that coffee place is so nice. Like, I love that place so much. Number one place to go to when you're in Gastown, Vancouver. Say bye to Gastown. I'm gonna be going back to the office now. Also random, but one of my clients gave me cheese. He's so nice.